Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to check the Java version that is installed in your computer. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters in my channel, silent viewers, for watching my videos, leaving a comment and suggestion. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. Please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. One of the most easiest way to learn whether you successfully installed Java in your computer is go to your command line or command prompt. I'm using Windows 10, so start, type cmd, and then in this command line, just issue a command java space minus version. Okay, after which we press the enter key from our keyboard. It will display Java version 18. So I'm using Java version 18 in my computer. That's it. That's simple to check and determine what version of Java that is being installed in our computer. So this is the end of our short tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.